Meet the golden eagle, a regal ruler of the sky. Feathered in gold and dark brown, its beauty is beyond compare. Did you know it's one of the fastest birds? Soaring at 150 miles per hour, it's a true speed champion. Golden eagles are not just fast, they're strong too. Their talons exert a crushing pressure that's twice the human hand's strength. Lastly, these birds are fiercely loyal. They mate for life, a testament to their commitment. Isn't it fascinating? These facts make the golden eagle a true marvel of the animal kingdom.